AI proof course. Do you know that there is an AI proof course? Yes, I am talking about enrolled agent. Now, why do I tell enrolled agent is an AI proof course? So before that, what is an enrolled agent? Like we have in India tax return preparers, US tax return preparers are known as enrolled agent. And why I tell that this is AI proof? Because this typically covers the rules, the regulations, the entire tax literature which keeps changing on a day-to-day basis, which has dynamic updates. So these regulations cannot be automated because they are being actually issued by the government itself. And that's what makes this as an AI proof and also recession proof course. Now, why do I tell that recession proof again? Because there are huge job opportunities for EA. There's a lot of US based companies who have set up here in India. That's what makes Enroll Agent as a very popular course here in India. Now, what is the duration of the course? It can be completed within a period of 6 to 7 months. And the cost of the course is also lesser than 1.5 lakh, which is quite economical and feasible. So don't forget to kind of check out the details of EA on www.simandhareducation.com. And the best thing is, guys, there's an EMI option also, so you can make the payment over the period as well. So it's not upfront or a lump sum payment which you need to pay for EA. Thank you so much.